What's up, YouTube? Dazwell Beats back with another video. If this your first time to the channel, as always, welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button to get notified whenever I drop some heat. Alright, today what we doing is somebody reached out to me and asked me what's the difference between pad parameters and non-destructive when you chopping your samples and when you sending them out to a program. They wanted to know what's the difference between which one should they pick. So it's different times when you'll pick different ones. I'll show you what's the difference between both of them. All right, so let's go, let's get it. That's what we're doing today, the difference between pad parameters and non-destructive file. All right, programs, let's go. So now we're inside the MPC. We have this sample right here. All right, so this is the sample that we're going to use today, right? For reference, we go to our sample editor. Once we're in sample editor, we only need just the first bar. So let's go. So right here is good enough. Alright, so what you can do from here, you can either discard or you can either extract. So let's just discard it so we can just save with one file. Alright. So we we discard it. Now this is what we're doing, this is what we have. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to go to chop. Let's do threshold. And before we do threshold, right, what we could do is you can always take these out if you want to. Let's go ahead and take those out. So what you will do is come here, just so we don't have all them chops. And what we could do is just delete it. Hold on, Control Z. I took the wrong thing. Make sure you take the green right here and just do delete. Right there, delete, do it. Then we'll come again, take these out just so our threshold don't pick them up. Delete, do it. That should be good. Let's just do for right here, because we only want these, this, and this. All right. And let's delete, do it. Alright, so now we go to threshold. I don't know why they still giving me that. Let's just put it there. Alright. Alright, so this is what we're doing now. So when you come here to go to new program, you can either do non-destructive or you could do pad parameters. I'm going to show you the difference. First, we're going to do non-destructive slice, right? So we do non-destructive slice and hit do it. All right. Once we hit non-destructive do it, we'll go back to track 1. And here go track 1. Let's go to our drums right here. All right. Let's go home. Alright, so the non-destructive, say we put, if you have non-destructive, what will happen if you say you want to use this pad 1 and bring it to another pad that's empty. Let's bring it to pad 13. So you'll go here and do copy, pad 1 to 13. Do it. So now 13 is there. So if we come to you on the wave, here we go. Alright, so pad 1 and pad 2. So if I say I wanted to move the start of the pad 13 and we starting it here, remember it was the same as pad 1. Pad 13. Now when we go back to pad 1, it's the same. You see that? Pad 1 and pad 1 is the same. That's what non-destructive do. It don't let nothing destruct it. No matter if you move it from here to there, it don't destruct it at all, right? It's, as the name is, non-destructive, right? Pad 1, pad 13 is the same. All right, now let's go back. All right, now we're going back to sample edit, and we're going to do pad parameters. So you'll come here, make sure you do threshold again. Let's move it here. And then we're going to go new program, but this time we're going to do pad parameters. All right, and do it. Now when we go back home and go to the program, where is that? Is this the one? Let's make sure. Yeah, I think this is the one. All right, so now let's copy pad 1. Copy. And move to there. Do it. Now, pad 13, pad 1. Alright. Now let's do the same thing. Let's move pad 1 and pad 13. Stay the same. Alright, let me undo it. Let's do what we did on the first one. Pad 13. Let's move this. The start here. Alright, now when we go hit pad 1 now, see, pad 1, pad 13. So pad parameters, you can switch it up after you switch it to a drum program. So that's just the difference in both of them. The non-destructive, if you move from one pad and copy it to another pad, you won't be able to manipulate it. You won't be able to move it or shift it or nothing. Because if you copy it from 1 to 13, it's going to be the same. If you use pad parameters, if you switch it from 1 to 13, whatever is like you making it unique. If you think about FL Studio, while you make it unique, pad parameters make them unique if you choose to move them. All right. So that's the difference with both of them. That's it. Me personally, I like to use pad parameters just so I can have the flexibility of moving or do whatever I need to do. But you'll make up your choice on which one you like to do. All right. If you don't move your stuff around, then non-destructive is perfectly fine. Both of them is fine. It's just a preference for what you like to do. All right. Let's get it. Catch you in the next one, man. Peace. Let's go.